Look on fierce.
The Jam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam family, the Jam family. Jam fam, come hang with me. Jam fam, come hang with me. Made this. I'm going to make it down. That was so satisfying.
This morning, I decided that I'm going to come out to gather some information doing my research. And so I'm here at the municipality building, gathering some information about things to do with properties and the house that we are currently occupying, and just wanting to understand how things go here in the country, and just trying to get ourselves up to date with the things that we need to do. So hopefully all of this information gathering will work out to be something that adds value. It seems a little bit complicated and a lot of hoop jumping and various rungs and the ladder to get to where you want to get to, but I guess that's how it is wherever you go in the world. So we'll just make sense of the information and just follow the rabbit hole to get to what we need to accomplish in the end. I woke up this morning, washed my hair before I went out, and this is something one has got to do in Jamaica with all the perspiration that you do with these temperatures. Although the temperature haven't been that bad so far this week, most of the times it's been in the late 20s in terms of degrees Celsius, so that's quite manageable for me. And when I wash my hair, I put it in these bantu knots, and that's because I don't choose to blow dry my hair. I just want it to dry naturally. And so once I've towel dried it, I bantu knots it up so that the dripping, it's not dripping on me when I'm going out, because there is still a lot of water in there no matter how much you towel dry. So the bantu knots help to prevent the dripping, and it dries as it's going through the day. But at the moment I can feel that it's still wet because I haven't been out and about walking up and down in the sun for it to dry naturally. So we will see how it goes in the afternoon. I will loosen them out later on and then just let it sit and air dry like that, and it should all be good. And I will do it all again shortly, because you definitely have to keep that wash going with the weather conditions that we're having now, although we're going down into the colder months, and I'm looking forward to that. While we're waiting for our washing machine, we have got to wash. So that's the space the washing machine is going to go, and until it goes, we've got to get our clothes clean. And so this is how we do that. Once we finish washing it, we'll go and hang them out. ackee tree in our back garden, and it's in fruit at the moment. This side and the side at the back has quite a bit of fruit coming up, and there are some young ones on the low limb. There are a few of them that's opened, some in the high limb that I can't really reach, but I thought I'd go and do a little harvest today to see if we can have some ackee for dinner. And this is what we managed to get. So we're going to pluck these out and then see how we can make a dinner with them.
Is this one okay? Because it looks soft.
So if it's too soft, we don't use it.
Do I dash it?
Check the other one in there. That's fine, so we can put that to throw. Yeah? Just put it there and you can throw it out after.
This one already looks too soft. This one looks fine.
So the ackee is all done. I'm going to have that with some yellow yam and some avocado. So we're going to plate that up now and have a go. All plate up now. Just need to get myself a fork and bon appetit. I have not had yellow yam in such a long while, so I'm going to have a go at eating the yellow yam. My friend brought it for me. The avocado, my friend brought it for me, and the ackee was from the tree in my back garden. Eating everything from the land.
Green down season, green down season.
Wait, let me show. Salmon liver market. I'm not, you're not in there, ma'am. look on fierce when them see that they got a British snack. Hey, well, I guess now she know where she can buy it. Thank you. She's sharing it with me. Oh, bless.
I have to see if it tastes the
Okay, well, go ahead and have your taste. Is that okay? All right then. So I'm going to go off and get that done now. But the experience was good to be had.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam.